We have been slacking at showing appreciation and gratitude lately, so I made it a point today to make sure that we all went the extra mile. Bill deserves everything and more, so anything to bring a smile to his face is worth it. And I told Blakely that we really need to get better at being super excited just when he walks through the door. It's really the little things that can make and break a marriage and a relationship, and those things are super important in a family.
Dad, I love you.
Dad, I love you.
Go run up and hug him.
Dad, I love you.
No way. You're gonna give me a hug?
I love you. We love you.
Oh my gosh.
This is open.
What?
They're open.
Thank you, babe.
Open.
Oh. I love you guys so much. Thank you. I love you. What? This is not like Father's Day or anything.
Yeah, baby, it doesn't have to be a holiday to show you some love.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. I love you.
Love you.
Thank you.
Dada.
That is wonderful. Wow, that's a very nice prize, babe.